So welcome back to the channel. So in this video we are replacing this OEM AC thermostat switch with a manual switch. So stay tuned. So to show you how a thermostat works, we've got a cup with an ice. We set this on continuity, and then this is our thermostat. So whether it's this mechanical or the electronic one, it's the same function. So this is set in a certain temperature, and it will have continuity. So this is your switch side. Now this is inserted between the fins of your evaporator. So you see, if it's hot, if it's warm, there will be continuity, meaning it will turn on the compressor. So once it reaches a certain temperature, so we are dipping the bulb. This is the bulb. We are dipping it inside the ice, and it shuts off. Again, if it gets warm again, there. So it turns on again. And when it reaches the right temperature, there you go. So that's how your thermostat works. So let's put this in the car. Let's make it warm again. So the original thermostat is mounted here, and then the bulb is inserted here, and then into, let me see if I can light it with the flashlight. There. See that white thingy? There you go. So that's where the bulb is clipped. What we're gonna do is we are going to insert it between the fins. So like, for example, here we are going to insert it like so. But we're gonna do it on the other side, and it's going to be very difficult, so I'll do it off camera. So there you go, we inserted the bulb. Then all we have to do now is to close this up, and then we're done. So we already cleaned the evaporator, but we need to make a makeshift door, because there was a door here, but then we removed it for us to clean this while it's in the car. So this we can actually put it here, replace this with this. So instead of having a blend door, so what we are going to be using is the pink one. This is the wire that goes to the relay, and then the blue one, this will be the one that comes from the switch. So if you want to test it, so Get your tester, put it on ground, and then switch side is the blue one. This is still off, this is on. So once you turn this on, this should lit up. And off, on. Okay. And then of course, if you want to confirm this, get a continuity with this to the relay in the engine bay. So we soldered this up. We extended it a bit so we have room to move. So we are not going to use the black because this doesn't require ground. So we're just gonna tape this here.
Hindi mo kina-response sa positive tsaka negative.
So we put the cover. This is actually for the Pajero, but we just mounted it with wood screws. We made sure that these two wood screws doesn't protrude too much that it will hit the evaporator. And we will finalize the mounting when everything is already in place. So let's put the dashboard on and let's see. So everything is installed, and that's where we put the switch. So all I have to do now is to buy a knob for this.